waves propagating on strings are transverse mechanical waves. Because they are transverse waves, I can show you on this transverse wave machine how they behave. It's exactly identical. It only moves a lot more slowly than a string does. Therefore, it's easier for you to visualize what I'm talking about. What I want you to focus on is the fact that if I make not just a continuous wave, but one pulse, this pulse is going to propagate from your left to your right, and it's going to bounce back. Why? Because I anchored at a fixed position one of these metal bars, so that if I make them oscillate on your right of this anchored metal bar with an alligator clip, the rest on your left don't oscillate. The opposite is also true. If the wave or the single pulse comes from your left to your right, it will not propagate through, will stay here, and will actually bounce back. Let's watch it. I'm gonna make a positive wave on your side. So this is gonna be a belly pulse that propagates through, gets to the alligator clip, and bounces back opposite. So now it's not a belly when it comes back, it's actually a trough. Let's do it again. Belly up, trough down. If I do this in a sustained fashion, I actually don't just send one pulse and wait for it to come back. If I send lots of pulses regularly at a very precise frequency like this, I can generate a wave that keeps propagating and it bounces back. And if I do it just right, which is very hard actually, I can generate what's called a standing wave. So it's not an easy thing to do with this mounting, but I'm gonna keep on talking. And the idea is that the wave that propagates through and the wave that bounces back on a guitar string, for example, or on this machine, interfere with each other, constructively or destructively, and if you hit exactly the right frequencies, they will generate the so-called standing waves. A standing wave doesn't actually travel anymore along the string, it stays in place. This is why it's called standing. And so you will see places that move up and down and places that don't move at all. And those are called nodes, and the ones that move up and down are called antinodes, or as I prefer to call them, bellies. Thank you.